Good morning, everyone, and good day if you are watching from afar. Here we are again. Like I said, eventually I'll get it to where I actually start on time. Getting there. Baby steps, right? So that's kind of the focus of today's live session is progress, not perfection. So we're going to see how well my progress has come. I'm going to do 3 sequences. The first one is going to be solely upper body and just like a warm-up. And then the second one will be a lower body sequence, which is focusing more on toning and less on cardio. The moves used in the first sequence, the upper body sequence, is the bilateral forward punch and your traditional, raises, nothing extensive, nothing crazy. The second one, the lower body, it is forward-facing leg lifts. I know you can't see me. No matter how far I stand back, you can't really see my legs. But forward-facing, your knee is facing forward, side to side. You're shifting your weight side to side. So that is the difference between the two. Also, what I call bounce squats. You have your very traditional squats and your back and your form is all great. These are a little bit more relaxed. They're bouncing. So you're just very gently bouncing that weight, activating your inner thigh muscles, your butt muscles, back of the thigh. It's a lot of fun. And you get to have a little bit of fun with it. With these sequences, the first one, because it is focused on upper body, what I do with my legs is completely irrelevant. The focus is on the upper body. So paying attention to my arms, not giving 2 shits about what my legs are doing. So you can do anything. With the lower body, it's the opposite. So your focus is on your legs, keeping your legs going, staying on balance, staying on rhythm. So what you do with your arms is completely up to you. My arms go all over the place. Sometimes I put them on my head. Sometimes I hold them in tight. It just depends on how intense the burning sensation is. So that's kind of the wonderful part of this, is that when it is body area focused, what you do with your other areas of your body is completely up to you. The goal is not to stop, complete the sequence all the way through. And yeah, so, the third sequence is going to be the vertical core crunch exercise. Again, you'll see my arms doing various movements. I'll hold them up. I'll hold them straight like this. I'll put them out to the side and hold them. But if you pay attention, my core never stops. That is the point. Go throughout the entire sequence without stopping. So this is my warm-up. If you are following along, I would definitely suggest using light weights. Unless you're physically advanced, then use heavier weights. And so I want my song to start at 0, but it's starting at like 9 seconds. It's so weird. So here we go.
But they question me instead. Cover all that pretty sound, danger up ahead. One more and you get it, so I'll follow you instead. Blinded by a century, hiding in your threads, holding all the perfection, but it's too late to forget.
Oh my God. Bring those weights down and whew, that's the end of the first one. Second one's gonna suck. Pay attention to my directional movement.
Picture of the sun, see I'm hot while it's hot, cause I don't like it cold. I'm a valley boy rapping, so I change the mode. Really not clueless, just a grow. I'm glad for show. Sick and tired of hearing about all this global warming. The reason why it's hot, cause I came this morning. Come get it or not is what I try to inform them. Can't walk in the shoes cause my bands are swollen.
15 minutes is it pressure off. All the fingers hit if the pressure's soft. Hot 16s, team dreams and schemes. Google blow things, mutual blow and steam. Yes, man, I'm OG in the scene. For long-term success, I'ma be in the green. It ain't buzz. See what I mean to get love. Two different things, but only one is enough.
Another Fahrenheit, 200 degrees, burning seeds like kerosene. Repeating your life, fast shine to remain king. Compared to these parasites, they scared of heights. Won't even political fights, just guard your grill. My regime hard to kill, only connect with architects, now let's build. I'ma hit them with a little shine in the middle, was venomous every bar that I dribble.
Celebrate, like a fellow with a chip on my shoulder, days. You know we in triple stick, goblin, so call me a bitch. Sus, triple X, pretty murder and triple six. G.O.D. move, make the drum and the kick, and they call me MC. But I'm more like a mix, like a cold train, pulling deep up on the spit. If you cut me, I'm a bitch, you know the wrong game.
Got your eyes on me, I'm hot. I'm hot. Picture of the sun, see I'm hot. I'm hot. Picture of the sun, see I'm hot. See I'm hot. Picture of the sun, see I'm hot. Water when it boils, you suck the
Oh my God. Stretch and breathe. God bless it. It hurts so bad. Okay. Number 3, all core. Oh. Okay. Feet shoulder width apart. Keep them on the floor if you can. Don't lift them. You're not stopping, you're just bringing that intensity way down. Okay. Ooh, give me a moment. Oh my goodness. So I must have done that song maybe well over 100 times. Still has this effect on me. Now, granted, I haven't been as disciplined as I used to be or have been in the past. However, whew, whew, it takes me literally about 2 minutes for the throbbing to settle, just so I can speak properly. So, un momento. Okay, so I got through that song. Yes, I'm winded, but it didn't kick my ass. So now that tells me it is time to find a new endurance challenge. Either make the song faster or longer. But, whew, my goodness. So for about 9 or so minutes, and I'm sweaty and starting to get all perspiring, whatnot. My goodness gracious. So yes, that's not even, I'm not even done with the set. I still have to do 2 more sequences. So this is only halfway. We'll build up to that 5 songs. It is a progressive method. So baby steps, little by little. The more you do it, the further you're going to progress, obviously. So yeah, let me know if you have any feedback, any recommendations, any exercises, any songs, any questions, any comments, concerns, and criticisms. Message me, and I'll message you right back. Thanks, guys.